My Trane XL850 is not running. Thermostat says ERR 184.07, 184.08, 180.02. Do you know what that means?
Where in your home is your Trane thermostat installed? How old is it?
Inside less than 2 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Trane thermostat? What have you tried so far?
Today, reset both air handler and compressor, rebooted thermostat.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Heating and air conditioning has been my specialty for 46 years, so not much I can't solve if given the opportunity. Please acknowledge each of my replies even if you are unable to perform a certain task I ask you to, or if you are hoping for a different answer. Together I believe we can solve this and find the best solution for you. The errors indicate the power supply dropped below 175 volts. Do you have a meter for troubleshooting? Link. Test the incoming power supply.
Okay, going to take a minute. I've got 240. Customer attachment August 6, 2020 11:02 and 2 seconds p.m. We have 240 V.
Calling now.
Okay.
Thanks for letting me work with you. Let me know end results. The board says we have low voltage, so I suspect board failure.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.